I'm Fabio Guarini, Product Manager for Mapei's sealing and bonding line. Today, I would like to present Mapesil AC, a pure acetic silicone-based elastic sealant specific for internal and exterior use for applications such as bathroom fixtures, ceramic, damp environments in general, and swimming pools. It's the ideal product to form elastic seals against air, dust, heat and noise in joints and cracks subject to movement, and to create fillets to blend in different construction features. Mapesil AC, a pure acetic silicone-based elastic sealant with mold-resistant BioBlock technology for ceramic, bathroom fixtures and damp environments in general, is available in 36 colors and a transparent version to match the various shades available for ceramic and bathroom fixtures. The range of colors available for Mapesil AC is coordinated with Mapei's range of colored cementitious grouts to help you obtain a high-quality aesthetic effect, both indoors and outdoors. Mapesil AC is a pure acetic silicone sealant. This means it doesn't contain any solvents or added fillers. This characteristic can be seen quite clearly if we compare the cross-section of traditional acetic silicone sealant with the cross-section of Mapesil AC pure acetic silicone sealant after they have set. Once it is completely set, Mapesil AC shows no appreciable amount of volumetric shrinkage. Because it is formulated with high-quality raw materials and contains no solvent, using a sealant with no volumetric shrinkage like Mapesil AC means fully exploiting its characteristics such as adhesion and elasticity to the full to extend the overall life of a seal. Condensation and mold could form very quickly in damp environments with poor ventilation, such as bathrooms and kitchens, and on cold walls in general. Mold is a natural consequence of organic material being exposed to particular conditions in terms of humidity, temperature, and ventilation. It's easy for the surface of any rubbery sealant applied in a damp environment to be attacked by fungal spores, which then go on to provoke the formation of mold. The presence of specific biocide additives in the sealant slows down adhesion of the fungal spores and, as a result, the formation of mold. Apart from carrying out sufficient maintenance, a sealant resistant to mold depends especially on the quality and amount of biocide used. If we seal part of a shower cabin with Mapesil AC, a sealant with high resistance to mold, thanks to the inclusion of BioBlock biocide technology, and another part with traditional mold-resistant sealant, which probably only contains a small amount of biocide, initially there will be no difference. However, after a few months of use, if the correct care is not taken, the behavior of the two sealants becomes more noticeable. Traditional mold-resistant sealant is contaminated by fungal spores and mold, whereas Mapesil AC with BioBlock technology has no particular surface contamination.